Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a masala, that is a fish masala, which the fishes which what we can use for this fish masala paste is prawns, then lady fish, then the tamushi, banushi, and there are different like kingfish and all that. Then this is the masala. Okay, so can you, so I have taken one whole coconut, big coconut, grated it, and then we need one onion. Then here is one green chili while grinding. This is the amount, it's like 1 tablespoon of tamarind, then 1 big tablespoon of coriander, whole coriander, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. And these are the chilies, around 15 Goan chilies. 15 Goan chilies I have used for this. Okay, so that's it. So this is my fish masala paste, which I'll be using for prawns also and all the other fishes. If you want yellow color, now this is like it will come out into a yellow color. I will show you after grinding this into a paste. Add water and grind it into fine paste. So this is after grinding this to a fine paste, and we can make multiple use of this fish masala. And this fish masala is from the sweet neighbor, my auntie Vimal, and this is her style or her recipe from her childhood, what she learned from her mom, and this is carry forward, and she gave me this recipe. I thank her very much for this. So this is one fish masala paste which we can use for many curries of fish. Thank you so much.